This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to the 19. My name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing COREJAVA assignments. So last video we go for this one application pin number. I think we execute the pin number, right? Yeah, if the pin is invalid for the 24 like 4 attempts, we have a message like your account is blocked for 24 hours. Because I think this one is completed. Yeah, and go for next one. This one, take the integer array. Okay, very simple code, guys. Take the integer array, some elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print the values like except 10 and 30. Print the values except what 10 and 30. I won't skip those two values, guys. Tell me the code, because if you want, just you can pause the video, you try to complete the requirement, then you can start the video, then you can proceed, right? That's up to you. So clear now. So take the integer array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print all the values except 10 and 30. Got the point, right? Just you pause the video, you try to complete it, then I'll take the answer, right? Just you can cross check the answers, right? Okay, fine. Just let me take the answer now. This previous video, this is a code for that. So let me go for next one. Go for right click new. I want take the class. So I want to go for this, or like so this is like test one class. Just click on the main method, click on the finish. Okay, this is the previous output, no? Attempt one, attempt two, like this. Guys, any fine. Now, what's the requirement? Tell me. The requirement is take the integer array. If you what 10, take the integer array with a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Let's take the integer array. Something like numbers. Okay. So something like numbers. So what the numbers guys here? 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Because I want to print the data except 10 and 30. Except 10 and 30. Because to read the data, simply can go for the for each loop. For each loop syntax is what? For colon. Because right hand side you can go for numbers. Right hand side what the data I'm going to print numbers, right? You can take that. Left hand side int number you have to take. Int just you can take the number. Right hand side I'm going to print the numbers. Left hand side numbers is what type of number, right? That's what simply can take the number. It's very clear now. There's information. But just you can check the if condition. If number, just check the if condition, number double equal to 10. 10 or this. Anyone I have to skip, right? I have to skip those two things. I have to skip 10 and 30 also, right? That's what you have to go for. Number double equal to 10 or number double equal to what? 30, right? Number double equal to 30. Anyone is true, then true, right? Then you can go for the continue here. Continue means then what happened? Tell me, guys. Continue means what? It's skipping the iteration, guys. Skipping the iteration. Okay. So it's a continue. Otherwise, then you can print the date, right? Print what? Print the number, right? That's it. Is it clear now? R means what? Anyone is true, then true. Because I won't skip the both values, right? First case 10. It's a true. True means what? Continue. Continue means the remaining code is not executed. Continue means what? It's skipping that iteration, guys. It's skipping like remaining code. Skipping this remaining code means what? The 10 is printed, not printed, not printed. 20 is not matched, 20 printed. 30. I think number double equal 30. 30 is match, right? Match means continue. Continue means what? This code will be skipped. Because what's the different break and continue? Tell me. Break is used to stop the loop execution. Yes, break is used to stop the loop execution. Continue is used to skip the iteration. Continue, whenever the continues occur, it skip this it value, it skip this code amount. After continue, whatever the code is there, this code is not executed in that case. Get the point, right? If you want, you can run this code, guys. You got the output is like 20, 40, 50. You want skip the both values, right? That's what I used R, guys. If you use and means no, right? Because and means what? Both should be satisfied. But only one value coming now. Only one value coming means the condition is not matched, right? We'll get all the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Because here we need to use under or R, right? Guys, we need to use under or R means definitely R. Simply can run this code. If you run this code, you got to output is what? 20, 40, 50. Because 10 and 30 will be skipped, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? That is information, guys. So it's a very simple thing. So just you can try to check this answer. Okay. So skipping the values except printing the values, printing the all values except 10 and what 30, right? That's it, guys. Yeah. So check the video. So can please comment the video. Comment is important, guys. Comment the video, like the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, and you can please share this all the videos to your friends also, so that your friends also will learn some content, right? So no, content is important, not important. Definitely content is important. So I know that you know that. Please share that information to your friends. So you try to maintain the notes for this all assignments, guys. You'll get the more clarity. Clear, right? Yeah. So bye guys. Meet you next video. We'll go for next assignment.